Yo, what's up, guys? So today we're gonna be talking about the signs of high interest women and how to pursue them. Alright, guys. Before we do this, when you have a woman that has high interest, it's very key that you pursue them in a different way than with women with low interest, because with high interest, they will show you signs to say, "Yo, I really like you, and just take me. You don't have to go through all this games and all this shit without a woman. Just take me. I already find you attractive." Alright. Because if you do, let's say you do, for example, for you wait a week, you don't talk to her for a week, and except asking for a date, and then all of that, she's gonna lose interest because she thinks like you don't like her or some shit like that. Alright. So number one, she usually talks a lot when you talk to her in person. Right. I think almost every girl does this, but it will be way overboard. So, for example, you can ask a question. So, like, so how'd you like? What's your favorite vacation spot? Right. A little anxious one will be like, Jamaica. See, nothing to contribute. She's not contributing shit. But with high interest women, you got, oh yeah, Jamaica. Yeah, I like Jamaica. I like Brazil. I went to Brazil once. Me and my friends were almost gone. My friend almost drowned in Brazil, but luckily I was there to save her. You know, she keeps on ranting and ranting on, which makes it easier for you to keep up the conversation, right? All right. Number two, um, she initiates contact regularly. All right. So if the chick doesn't initiate contact, right, but then she shows other signs of these, she could be having moderate interest, or she's just stretched to say that I know I'm not supposed to be texting guys first and all the time. You should be chasing me all the time. Right? That's a stretch point. Right. So if the woman is not stretched, she'll usually talk to you or call you frequently towards the week and everything. And then like for example, you go in and so you get the number on Monday, right? You hit her up the next Tuesday, Wednesday, right? And then you hit her up, you hit her up, she responds. You wait 4 hours, and then you respond to that text, and then she responds immediately. That's a sign of high interest. Alright. Number three, alright, she puts a lot of effort to how she looks when she goes out with you. Alright. Feminine woman almost also has high interest. They'll try to look good for you, and if not for themselves, for you, because they don't want to fuck this up. You see, right? Uh, yeah, yeah, actually, yeah. Then for low interest women, she'll most probably just climb in, like she just look like she just woke out of bed and all that shit, and you can just tell she didn't put effort. Right. Number four, um, ooh, number four, she tests a lot. Now, this could also be full of interest, kind of. Okay, nah, forget that. She tests a lot, right? Like when she's high interest, she wants to sleep with you, right? But then she wants to make sure that you're, you know, you're what do you call it? You're high value. You're not like our guys, not like the average Joe. So she would shit test you a lot and say, yo, hey, for example, let's say I on a date, right? You bring a bottle, right? You bring the bottle, and then she comes and asks, says, "Yo, why you got the bottle there?" Then it's a shit test, right? Or why you drink like when you drink water? She's like, "Why you drink water like that?" You know, like it's the question is so stupid that you don't have an answer to. Like fucking like bitch, I cannot like bitch so I can drink, right? But you don't call him bitch because yeah, just don't never call a bitch. Never call a chick a bitch. Yeah. Okay. The shit test, right? If you pass the shit test, it becomes more and more fierce as you progress through with him, right? And yeah, alright. And then number five, um, it'll be very easy to get a date, right? For example, low interest, you go and say, yo, are you free this? Are you free this Saturday, right? She would say, no. She'll say, we'll see. I got girls night, you know what I mean? But then, for, thing, for, high interest, you should say something like, she's girls night out. She'll be like, oh, can we reschedule for the next day? Or, she will try and make shit happen, you know what I mean? That's what I want to say. And then to pursue them, how to pursue them, you gotta find a balance between. But you see, low interest, you go two extremes, right? You can either bare minimum contact or over pursuing. That's bad. For any of these, for high interest, it's bad. You gotta meet the middle, the bare minimum, right? You gotta talk to her, yeah, but not to the point where you're not chasing. You know what I mean? Like, for example, I would say I'll go in there, get a number Monday, wait for them Tuesday, text her on Thursday, right? Wait for them Tuesday, text her then, alright, and then text her again on Wednesday, and then stop Thursday, or Friday, Thursday to Friday, 2 days, you know what I mean? Can be equal. I think I do it usually equal. If I text it for 2 days, I'll do that. But I wouldn't text it like consecutive days, you know what I mean? You go, let's say Tuesday, right? I text on Tuesday. I wait Wednesday, and she hits me up on Wednesday. Okay, that's when I can talk to her. But then Thursday, I initiate. You know what I mean? I won't initiate twice in a row. You know what I mean? No double texting, gents. You know, let's be honest. I don't need to go into in-depth double texting. And yeah. So, and when you're with her, you gotta be mastering frame and everything. You gotta talk with the frame. You gotta be chill, calm, collected, with the voice and everything. So you like, for example, if like you shouldn't be talking like in that how you talk with your bros, you know what I mean? Like, with your bros, they're like really calm and shit, bro. Don't be like, so when was the last time you went to Jamaica? You know what I mean? No, guys. You gotta go in nice, cool, and so like, so what was the last time you went to Jamaica? Oh shit, last week. Oh yeah, we went swimming. So what kind of suits are we wearing? Some shit, 2 piece, 1 piece. You know what I mean? See, guys, you go in nice, cool, calm, collected. The voice will do everything. Hopefully, shit. Alright. Yeah. Yeah, I think that should be it. Yeah, that's it. Alright, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment down below what you want me to do next, and if any questions or anything, my email is in the description. Alright, holla back.